Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and drop any question. We are ready to answer you. And also, I have my Telegram group below the video description. You can also join to enjoy free indicator which will analyze your boom and crash trade daily. Today I'm going to explain to you how to use this particular indicator to catch up a spike and to take up a buy zone. So I've made a video on boom 1000 and boom 500, but this video is on crash 1000 and crash 500. So I'm going to make another video which will explain more better on boom 300 and crash 300. So stay. So what are the two things that you need to always target when using this indicator? You are going to be targeting your positive ordering, and you are going to be targeting your negative ordering. So any trade that fall between this particular two, you are not going to be taking it. What you are only going to be taking when the trade is above this positive, and when it is below this positive. You see, that is particular time that for you to take that particular trade. So what you are going to be checking, I have my moving average. I have my moving average on my main chart. I have my moving average on my main chart, which is this, and I also have my two moving average on my indicator, the moving average of 14 and the moving average of 200. Watch this video to the end, because I'm going to explain to you how this really works. So for you to identify the best time for you to trade is when the two cross each other, below the 100 level. You see, when the two cross each other below the positive and the negative ordering. You see, this particular side now, for example, let's check this. We are having an entry at this zone. You see the positive, it cross each other at this level, and when you check here, you are going to fall on this particular time. So this is the right time for you to take your buy entry. You see, when it also cross each other on above positive ordering, you see, you are going to be having your spike catching. So you see, like this zone now is crossing it above the ordering level here, and what happened here, you are going to catch up your spike down. So this is exactly what is happening in the market. It repeats himself for more time. You see, we're having a lot of time that is crossing each other on above negative ordering. You see this particular side also, you see that side. When you target this particular side, it also fall on this range, and you catch up your buy entry. So let's check what is happening on crash 500 also. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the settings of this indicator. You just watch the video to the end. You said the same thing is happening, the same thing is what you are going to be targeting every time. You see, now currently now the market is not yet respect that particular level, because the two are not going along with each other. You see, the market is still moving on a uptrend. You see, but when you check this particular entry now, you are going to see that the two cross each other below the negative ordering, and by doing this, you are going to take up your buy entry. So when you also check on the negative aspect, that it cross each other on the negative zone. You see, this particular side is not crossing each other on the negative zone. You see, and you cannot enter this particular one unless you will have make a lot of loss before spike happen. You see that? So this is exactly what you just need to do before taking up your entry. You just confirm that entry and know that it's very accurate. You see, like this particular entry now, it show you that the two cross below the negative ordering, and when you check that particular zone, you are going to take up your buy entry, or you wait for the market to reverse along buy zone. You see, so let me show you the settings of the indicator. So on my moving average, I have my moving average of period of 14. I have method to be simple. I have my apply to be typical price. I have my style to be in blue color in 4. So you press on done. On my indicator window 1, I have the commodity channel index, which is the period of 14. I have applied to typical price. I have my style to be in green color, and I have my level at that zone. So let me show you the level. Let me show you the level for you to set it up on your smartphone. So I have the negative 100, the positive, the 192. I have negative 292. I have negative 290. I have positive 190. So with that, you can have that. Then you press undo. I have the first moving average, which is the moving average of 10, and the period of 10, the method to be exponential. I have the apply to close, and you see that. So you have your blue color, then you press undo. So I have my last moving average, which is the period of 200, the methods to be simple. Apply to close, then you have your color in red. So you can choose any color of your choice also, then you press on done. So by doing this now, you will have the same indicator on your on your chart. So don't forget, your first target is to target your positive ordering and to target your negative ordering. So you trade below the positive, the negative, and you trade above the positive zone. So that is how you can easily enter the market without any fear. So if you are watching this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video comment on this video, share us your experience so far using this indicator. You can also join my Telegram group for free signal, also for you to meet some pro and more traders like you. Thanks.